Now, halimbawa na lang, ito yung wild imaginations from the bettors. Nagsabwatan lahat. Halimbawa na lang. So, yung may root access, kaya pa rin manipulahin yon. Nag-usap-usap lahat, mga chief, mga bossing, mga friendship, tahimik na kayo dyan. Papalitan natin itong through the root access, may root access, palitan natin, palabasin natin na may nanalo. Hindi nyo ginawa yon. Wala akong binibintang. Possible or not?
Possible po.
Thank you. I rest my case. Now, isa pa dito sa nakausap ko na IT experts. Sample, tataya sa Novaliches ng numerong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then, alam niyo po yung root, kung tawagin? Root access.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, may I refer you to...
Sino bang IT expert niyo? Root access sa computer.
Yeah,
Do you know what I'm saying? If you're really an expert sa IT, if you're really an IT expert, you should know what is the root access means. Okay. So, nagkakaintindihan tayo. At least meron isa dito na nakaintindi. So, tataya ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sabihin natin sa Novaliches. And then, after matayaan nyo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pupunta ngayon doon sa main computer system na may root access, yung taong may root access, na pagkatapos ng draw na 9 o'clock, lumabas 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Napapalo nyo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So lumabas yung 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na yan ha, nitong si Juan. So yung merong root access, papalitan niya sa computer yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na tinayaan. Kahit na ito'y tinaya sa outlet. Gagawin niyang 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same serial number, same everything, except yung papalitan niya is the numero. Kasi nga, sa outlet, wala namang resibo. Right? May resibo pa from the Pulay? Wala, di ba?
Meron po. May tickets.
Okay. Pero sa Lotto outlet, may resibo. Pero sa iLotto, wala.
Meron din po, electronic.
Yeah, it's a QR out, but no,
Okay.
no.
Pero
Electronic.
where do you keep those receipts?
There's,
So meron kayong receipt sa lahat ng taya?
you mean the physical lotto?
Yes. Kayo na sa outlet.
Yeah.
So halimbawa
we
may
can
tumaya sa
trace.
inyo.
Yeah, we
Meron
have
kayong resibo na sa resibo ng taya, ibig sabihin yung tumaya.
we know.
Yung numerong tinayaan.
Actually, we know po the the computer itself of the provider has the number. That's why they know kung nanalo sa outlet.
No,
namin.
what I'm trying to say, Ms. Javier, ng National
Sorry po.
President ng Pulaay, pakisabi mo na anong isa ng Pulaay, ma'am?
Philippine Online Lottery Agents Association, Inc.
Very good. Ang ibig sabihin, kapag halimbawa ang isang tao tumaya doon sa machine ninyo, sa outlet, di ba? Okay, nabigyan siya ng ticket niya. Meron din ba kayong physical receipt doon sa numero mga tinayaan niya with serial number?
Wala
Nakahawak niyo?
po.
Okay. So, wala. Siyempre, yung receipt na sinasabi niya na meron, yun yung receipt na napupunta
Yes po.
sa better.
Yes, Chair.
Pero
Mr. Chair.
walang naiiwang resibo sa inyo para malaman nyo physical evidence na yung tinayaan ng better kung ano yon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Still follow me. Kaya nga, yun ang sinasabi ko. So, yung may root access na tao, papalitan niya ngayon yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at gagawin niyang 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? And then, yung serial number stays and all. Pagkatapos niyan, ng magmanipula, magkakaroon na siya ngayon ng ticket na 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 from a machine na nakatago somewhere. Well, of course, you're gonna say no. I'm not asking you, ma'am. Sorry, I'm not asking you. I'm asking the, yung IT na merong alam sa root access, and then of course the DICT. Please don't answer if I'm not addressing to you. Please don't answer, please. At wag po kayong iling-iling, please. Just stay calm and composed, okay? Ma'am Cireles.
Yes po, Mr. Chair, good morning po. That cannot be done po, na we will be inserting or changing the bets that is to a winning number doon po. Kasi po, we have established procedure that is ISO certified, and after when we draw the balls po, the winning numbers, and then that will be inputted into our system, and that's the time po na ma-generate kung meron pong winner or wala. So, and then that will be validated again to another system that should match the result of the production system, which is the current lottery system online. And then we have the backup system where we will produce the result of the draw that will match the production and the backup.
I understand. I see where you're coming from. But what I'm saying is, yun ay kayang palitan kung sino man yung taong may root access. Sino-sino po yung mga taong may root access sa inyo? Who are they? Give me the names.
The root, the
Di ba
super...
dapat dalawa yan? Merong isang tao, tapos merong isa na nakatago dapat sa safe.
Yes po.
Okay.
That
Now,
is,
give me the names of the person na merong root access because I need to check his credibility.
Apo, that is the GM po.
GM.
And sorry.
So, si GM ang may root access?
Apo, our GM po, he has the super user account po and the administrator account. And I think, Sir Arnel, you have or another. Yes, admin. And Sir AJM Casas, which is,
So marami merong hawak sa root access?
we have two po.
Two. So, si GM, sino yung pangalawa?
Si Sir Arnel po, because he's the Assistant General for the gaming
Arnel
sector.
Casas. Okay. So, si Arnel Casas is, Mr. Casas is the AGM. Okay. So, dalawa. Di ba dapat meron pa isa nasa sa vault yan dapat? O wala na, dalawa lang.
Dalawa.
Now, my question to you, DICT, is it possible na yung mga taong may root access can edit, yung sinasabi nga niya, once na lumabas yung mga games, agad-agad automatic, magsasabing may winner o wala.
Mr. Chair, sorry, but we shall verify such information with our principals and technical experts. Accordingly, we shall integrate the same in our position paper, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So that will be on our next hearing, gusto ko po magpalabas kayo ng inyong opinion. Ito po ay sabi ng mga nakausap pong tao. So ang sinasabi ngayon ng nakakaintindi sa root access, it is not being done. It's different na it's not being done and it is impossible. Pwedeng, hindi nyo ginagawa. I'm not saying na ginagawa nyo. So hindi nyo ginagawa pero pwedeng gawin kung gugustuhin. Is that a correct statement from me? Kung gugustuhin, kaya. Pero hindi nyo ginagawa
Opo, with the safeguards po, that is not possible.
with the safeguards. And what are those safeguards?
That is po, we immediately, like what I have said po kanina, we have the production system, the one, yung pong ginagamit natin and the backup. So we immediately match the result of that so that we will establish that there's no insertion or
So, kaya nga,
whatever.
who is that person na who's doing the matching? Sabi mo,
The matching po, the data security,
data security.
opo,
And who is that person?
it's a team po.
Team. And who's the team
Headed by
leader?
po with Ralavin,
Data security.
Data
Mind
Security
you,
Division.
let me tell you a brief story. There's the biggest scandal in the US na kung saan yung chip security, data security nila nagmanipula ng lotto game at nakulong.
But he
So
is
you said
not,
data security.
Opo.
Hindi ko pinagbibintangan itong taon to. Pero nabasa mo yon yung scandal sa US, lotto scandal sa US? Si, is that Lipton? Tipton. Siya yung data security chief pumasok siya sa computer system. This is an online game. Minanipula niya. Okay. Sinasabi ko lang yun, di na pangdagdag information. So, the data security,
Yes. There are
And?
representatives also from the Internal Audit Service Department.
which is part of PCSO.
Yes po.
Okay.
And then,
Walang tagalabas.
meron po, the COA, Commission on Audit po, Mr. Chair.
Kasama nanonood.
Yes po. They are part of...
No, pag yung nanalo na yung numero and then sinisiguro na yung numerong nanalo ay tinitingnan, gumagawa ng matching whether on that particular game somebody won or did not win. Nandun yung COA?
Yes, part of the audit po, sir.
Hindi nga, kasi binanggit mo yung COA. Okay ako sa, gusto ko dapat nandun yung COA kasi kung kayo sa PCSO, may pagdududa pa rin sa taong bayan. So dapat may independent. So meron taga-COA. And who is that from COA? Nandun ba talaga mismo yung COA physically present?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. They are always there po. For
They are, so bisa pa maraming taga-COA.
Yes po, they are also a group or a team po.
They are there as a team?
Yes po, there are representatives po for every draw to audit the
Same
draw
representative
process po.
all the time?
They're on a shifting or rotation schedule.
Mga ilan?
How many sa co? Maybe 12 to 15 po.
So 12. Alam mo kung ba't ko tinatanong ito lahat? Para masatisfy. Itong lahat ng katanungan ko, galing to hindi to gawa-gawa ko lang.
Yes po, Mr.
Ito'y galing sa mga nakakausap ko na nagdududa. Kaya dapat masagot ito ng tama dahil kapag hindi nyo nasagot ng tama, yung pagdududa hindi mawawala. So we're here to make sure na maalis yung pagdududa sa isip ng mga tao.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, so ngayon, meron taga-COA. Sure ka. And I need a record and a CCTV. Dapat yan hindi pwedeng sa kwarto kayo-kayo lang. Dapat may CCTV recorded and all yung ginagawa. Napapalo ba yan?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
How is it being done?
Opo, it is written in our ISO certified process po that this procedure should be done and participated by
Well,
these
should be done.
representatives.
Madali yan sabihin, should be done. But is it being done?
Yes po, Mr.
And
Chair.
you have proof na it is being done properly, which is paano? Sa isang room?
Yes po, in a room po where the machine or the equipment is there.
Okay.
And then it is recorded po.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a CCTV din po on that room.
Okay. Na para sinasabi na may nanalo or walang nanalo.
Yes po. And they attach their signatures on that report.
Okay. Pero just the same, kayo ang nakakaalam nga noon na may nanalo, wala. Pero kami sa public, we don't know yet. Until na kayo mag-release ng inyong statements sa PCSO. Now, halimbawa na lang, ito yung wild imaginations from the bettors. Nagsabwatan lahat. Halimbawa na lang. So, yung may root access, kaya pa rin manipulahin yon. Nag-usap-usap lahat, mga chief, mga bossing, mga friendship, tahimik na kayo dyan. Papalitan natin itong through the root access, may root access, palitan natin, palabasin natin na may nanalo. Hindi nyo ginawa yon. Wala akong binibintang. Possible or not?
Possible po.
Thank you. I rest my case.
Mr.
Yes,
Chair,
Mr. Robles.
if I may, I understand po yung sinasabi niyo, yung meron ng nanalo, tapos hahabulin nila ng panalo. Ganun po ba ang from the system? I would just like to inform the committee that we had the say, ako po, when I came, yun din po ang una kong tinignan. But ang practice po is at 8:30, cut off na po. All bets are separated in a flash drive. Standalone po yun, it's not online. So, hiwalay na po yun. So, for that alone, hindi na po pwedeng ma-insert yun. May standalone po na computer. In fact, pag nanonood po ang mga tao sa amin, almost real time po ang pagpasok ng bola dun sa stand-alone na yon. So I don't think it's possible kasi hindi na ho online yun eh. Nasa drive na yun eh. Kaya kami po sa group namin, nauuna po kaming malaman because almost simultaneous po paglabas ng number, pindot siya. Almost simultaneous po. So wag ko kayo mag-alala, there's no way mape-penetrate nila dahil nakihiwalay na po yung lahat ng bets na pumasok. Hindi na po pwedeng dagdagan yon. At our cut-off, kaya po 8:30 kami, cut-off na po yun. At 9 o'clock, draw na po. But there's a 30-minute yan na hindi na po pwedeng pasukan ng bets. Kahit po gustuhin, even online, hindi na po nila may papasok.
Dahil, ano po, Mr. Robles, dahil,
Kasi po, kaya stand-alone na po yan, kumbaga nakaseparate na po
and that's
ito.
computer.
Yung flash drive po,
Flash drive.
doon na po lahat ng
Let me
bet.
remind you, Mr. Robles, I'm not an IT expert. Okay, hindi ako nagmamagalingan. Pero lahat ng computer kayang i-corrupt.
Well,
In fact, the best computer, the most secured computer, even sa Pentagon na computer, supposed to be the most safest and guarded computer on this planet, ay na-corrupt o na-penetrate ng isang hacker. So don't tell me, yung computer ninyo na sinasabi mo drive, hindi kayo makorrupt
na,
yan.
I'm just saying, Your Honor, that that's the process that we have. Kaya, para pala
I
ito,
understand, Mr.
mahirap po.
Robles. Yes. I'm not saying na nandaraya kayo. Pero it's possible, tulad nga sinabi ni, anong pangalan niyo po, madam? Ma'am May. So, lahat ng computer, as long as it's a computer, kaya makurap yan, kaya maihack. Yun yung aking pinopoint out dito. So, therefore, with this, ang gusto ko pong mangyari, where's the BIR here?
Hello po, Mr. Chair.
BIR, pagbabanggain natin lahat ng mga nanalo sa loto. Let's start with, kasi alam ko it will take some time.
Yes.
September of 2023. All winnings noong September 23, ibabangga natin sa BIR na magagaling sa PCSO. Kunyari, ang winner ay, para mapabilis tayo, ang winner ay sa lahat ng games is 20. Kunyari na lang, 20 winners sa September equals to, sabihin natin, 100 million. So yung 100 million, 20% tax is 20 million. So dapat magmamatch yan. Lalabas sa BIR, dapat 20 katao ang tumaya at 20 million ang binayaran tax. I need that kind of record from the BIR sa next hearing. Can you do that? So magbabanggaan, cross-matching tayo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Ano lang po, kasi unfortunately, Mr. Chair, under Section 270 ng Tax Code, we are prohibited from disclosing exact information on the returns filed unless siguro po may consent from the taxpayer. So if mabigyan po kami ng PCSO ng written consent na they are allowing
Hindi
us to
pwede,
disclose po.
dapat, then we will subpoena. Hindi pwede tago yung record na yan. It will be subpoenaed. Kung
Yes,
kinakailangan
po.
pupunta sa korte, I will do that.
Opo,
Very
Mr.
important
Chair.
yan eh. Kasi
Yes,
kasi pag nasagot nyo ito lahat, tatahimik na ako. Kasi itong sinasabi ko, you agree, para maalis po yung agam-agam ng taong bayan. Kasi for the longest time, marami nagdududa eh. Meron pang nag-chat sa akin, nag-text sa akin, Idol, sir, 20 years na ako tumataya, wala pa rin ako nanalo at yung mga nanalo, hindi man na pinapakita yung muka. Ito pa, lately, ang daming pera ng PCSO, poor editing pa. Sana man lang kumuha kayo ng magaling na editor. Yung kinuha yung editor, parang kindergarten. O di, nagkaduda po, di ba? So, Mr. Attorney Tibayan, sir. So, how can we obtain that record?
Kaya, Mr. Chair, actually, we can extract that data. Wala pong problem po. And kung timely na file po nila yung ay na-remit nila sa BIR.
Yes, yun ang gusto ko. Pagbabanggain. Yung number of people na tumaya and then tumutugma doon sa amount na pinanalunan nila versus doon sa record ng BIR. Dapat magsisync yan. Tamang banggaan. Isa lang doon na numero that will not add up, then there's something wrong.
Is it possible, Mr. Chair, if you can ask the consent of provide and the waiver pa rin po of the
PCSO.
specific provisions of the NIRC? Baka po mahingi po natin.
Okay, Mr. Robles, is that possible?
Yung willingness po namin is there. I'll just have to check po with our legal. Can our legal be recognized, Attorney Leia, Your Honor?
Okay. Is it Attorney Jimenez? Okay. Attorney Leia Christine Jimenez, ma'am.
Good
The Legal
morning,
Department ng PCSO.
Yes, good morning, Mr. Chair. So, the consent of PCSO, under the Data Privacy Act, Your Honor, we can release those information subject to the subpoena issued by this committee.
Okay, so pag nag-issue ng subpoena ang committee doon, you will oblige.
Yes, Your Honor. And also,
At so bibigyan niyo doon sa bibigyan niyo permiso yung BIR
and
para-
also a written, if there is a written letter from the BIR, since this is a part of the regulatory function also of the government agency.
So BIR, I'm ordering you na gumawa ka na agad ng letter doon kay Attorney Jimenez para doon sa pinag-usapan nating records na gusto ko makita.
We'll prepare that right away po, Mr. Chair.
Okay.